Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to autosave on Crash. So how to record sound while using the dashcam on the Cyjik GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on this menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen and click on Settings. After that, tap on this Smart Cam option within the Features section. Now scroll down and here you can find the Dashcam category. And the third option is Autosave on Crash. Using iOS device accelerometer, we can trigger to save video when the G-force is too high. Turn off this option when your road is too bumpy. So if you would like to enable this feature, all you have to do is tapping on this button on the right side next to it, and then the autosave on Crash option or feature will be enabled automatically. However, if you would like to turn it off, just simply click on the same button again. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.